therapy time. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prune this boxwood. Alright, I think I'm going to go, initially I wanted the circle shape, but I think I'm going to go with the cone to give it something different. I guess I should have thought about this before I started the video, but I am Essie Happily. Please subscribe, like this video, comment. If you have ever been in a situation where you did not know what shape to go for. Okay, you all, I made up my mind. Cone is going to be. Well, I guess it still looks like a cone. I mean, like a circle. Here's from the back. So the trouble that I was having is, as you see, this is one stem. If you cut in, the pruners that I had wasn't thick enough, if you all see, to cut this portion. So I was able to get the soft ends, which is the soft wood, but that's what it looks like from the side. Hope I did a pretty good job, because eventually it's going to grow, as you see, and fill in if I continue to prune upward. All right. Thank you so much for watching Essie Happy's garden pruning therapy session. All right, you all. See you next time. Bye-bye.